Hey guys, welcome back. I thought I'd come out here real quick to give you an update on the lawn, show you what it looks like, show you what we're working with. I've been gone for about the last week, so this hasn't been watered. We're basically in a major fall drought. So you can see right here that over there by the swing set in the garden is still kind of green, but down this way, this tree is just soaking everything up. All the water and everything's getting all soaked up by the tree. So I'm gonna get out here. Let me switch you back to the front real quick. I'm gonna get out here this evening. I'm gonna get some water on the lawn. I'm gonna show you a product right now that they have at Costco. You're gonna wanna avoid this product. I know it says fall lawn care, but really it's got 2,4-D dicamba in it to kill weeds, everything like that. But that's not what we're concerned with. But the biggest thing is that it's a 2503, meaning that's high nitrogen. That's not what we need. We want like a 7020 right now. We want to help the lawn stay watered. We want to go to sleep. We want to get ready for fall. I've also been out here cleaning up leaves. This tree right up here drops, it's like 20 or 30 leaves every few seconds, it feels like. It's just constant that it's dropping leaves. The biggest goal right now is to go ahead and get these leaves and everything cleaned up right now before it starts raining. So today's the 15th. It's looking like it's probably going to start raining on the 19th or 20th, which is what I covered in one of my last videos. Told you all the cold front's coming. We're quickly going to be dropping in soil temperatures here right now. We're in the upper 70s, so right now it's not too late to go ahead and get out your pre-emergent. So you got to go ahead and get that pre-emergent out. If you haven't done it, you need to get it done probably before this weekend. I don't think we're going to see a warm up, especially not in the third week of October. So make sure you get that pre-emergent down, keep watering, clean up those leaves. Go ahead and do it before it rains on them this weekend, because if it rains on them, they're going to turn to mush. They're going to be down in the grass. They're a lot harder to clean up. Go ahead and get all that cleanup done now. That's definitely important. Keep it cleaned up. It's a lot easier just go and rake a few leaves or mow over a few leaves, keep it cleaned up, than it is to have to clean up a huge pile. So make sure you like and subscribe. Keep following. We'll keep all the lawn updates that you need for your lawn, so you'll have a very successful spring of 2026. Remember, that starts now. Thanks. Bye.